So what is a brokerage? How do you use it? And what are some ways you could benefit from using a brokerage? Well, a brokerage company, and the way I look at it, is a middleman who connects the buyer and seller to complete a transaction for either stocks, shares, bonds, options, or other financial instruments. So there are many different brokerages. There are brokerages like WeBull, Fidelity, TD Ameritrade, Robinhood, MooMoo. I mean, the list goes on. Interactive brokers, a lot of them, right? Well, depending on where you live and the world, if you live in the USA, you definitely have a lot more options than, say, other countries. But you're going to be wanting to look for trading software interface. Customer support and execution are crucial when trying to set up your brokerage account. I myself use WeBull. It's a platform that is very good. It has great customer service. It has great trading software interfaces, indicators, as well as charts in news and other tools that we can use to be better traders. It also has really good execution compared to other platforms out there, like say Robinhood, where you may not get executed at the exact price you want. It could be a slippage of a few cents or more when using companies like that. Nonetheless, a brokerage company is a way for us to connect ourselves to other people to be able to trade these certain stocks. Now, if you'd like to learn more about how to set up a brokerage account, then definitely watch this next video or reach out to me via Discord. Thank you.